You better not go up there. Maddie, pull down the stuff. Pull down that. And climb her way up on the couch. She thinks she's smarter than me. Maddie, you're not smarter than me. I will baby-proof this apartment. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? I will baby-proof this apartment. You can't walk off the couch. You can't walk off the couch. What is your problem, man? What is your problem, dude? I'm recording this so your daddy can see that you did this all by yourself. Yep. She's about to do it again. These children think that they can outsmart somebody. Look, little leg. Up. And she's gone. Aaliyah, this is not funny. This is not funny. I don't think it's funny. I don't think it's funny. Could you please get off my laundry? Aaliyah, what are you thinking about? Did you just fall asleep? So Miss Aaliyah is going to have 2 French toast. I probably should give her 1. I'm gonna do 1 because I'm sure she's not gonna eat it. So I'm gonna put that in the toaster and toast that. I'm gonna cut up 1 strawberry for her. Let's see. Let's do this guy. Gotta wash that. And then I'm gonna do 2 grapes for her. So I gotta cut these up and get them on her plate. So this is what Aaliyah's having right there. And I started giving her almond breeze. The whole milk that I was giving to her broke out her face. So I've been giving this to her and it's pretty, so far so good. She almost finished this one and I bought her another one yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour this in her cup and she's gonna have it with her breakfast. So this is her breakfast. So she has her French toast, strawberry and grapes, and I'm gonna feed it to her. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Good morning, Aaliyah. Good morning. Aaliyah, good morning. Aaliyah. She's like, don't talk to me, please. I'm eating my breakfast. She's watching Magic School Bus for like 15 minutes while she eats. And then after that, I'm gonna play with her. Hey, Mama. She ain't paying me no mind. Enjoy, okay, baby? Good morning, guys. So today is Wednesday. I don't know why I can never finish out a vlog, but I just finished doing 3 miles. Walk, jog, run, everything you can think of. Say good morning. Oh, the glare is bad. Hold on. Say good morning. Good morning, baby. You are so beautiful. Aaliyah, we haven't done affirmation in a while for the sunshines. Aaliyah? Maddie? Madison? Okay, so today for breakfast, she's having a a chocolate chip waffles. And she has some goldfish in here and her almond milk. Say good morning. Say I am beautiful. I am powerful. I am loved. I love you, Aaliyah. She's like, leave me alone, Mommy. I just want to eat my breakfast. Aaliyah. Hey, bright-eyed girl. She let me do her hair this morning. Like, today, if there's any such thing as a good day as a mother, was today. I woke up at 5:30. I got my one-on-one time with myself. Like girl, seriously, I got one-on-one time with myself this morning at 5:30. And then 6 o'clock rolled around and I was just like browsing on my phone, and I was like, you know what, I could be doing something productive other than sitting here being on my phone. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do the 10-minute cleaning challenge, where I set a timer for 10 minutes and clean an area of my house. And then I set the timer, I made my bed, and then I set another timer, did my bathroom, cleaned my whole room in 20 minutes. My whole room from start to finish, vacuum and everything. Then my son walked in and was like, Mommy, can I help you? And I was like, oh child, you're a godsend from heaven. Like, yes, yes. So they helped me with the living room, the dining table, everything. And before 7 o'clock hit, we were done with laundry, house was clean, lunch was done, kids were getting ready to go in by 8 o'clock. Everybody was dressed, teeth was brushed. Girl, I was on a roll, and I felt like I felt good, like legit felt like my day was productive. And what I do is every morning, now that I have my stroller, because my husband broke my stroller, so I got a jogging stroller to motivate me to get moving again. Because before I had Maddie, I was on this weight loss journey where I was, you know, I was doing the thing. I can't say that word, but my children watch my videos, so I can't be all potty mouth, you know. I have to get better with the slackness of my mouth. Like, my husband keep telling me, Janice, you have to do better. So I'm trying, but I was doing the thing, okay? And I fell off the wagon hard, like hardcore. Like, I was getting muscle definition in this floppy little arm. Like, my arm is the worst part of my body. Like, if I could fix one thing, it's that. But you see, because I don't want to risk my life and go under the knife, I want to work at it. Like, I would love to get a tummy tuck, these things like fixed. I would love to fix everything on my body, but the way our money situation is set up, I gotta go work my butt off. So my husband's like, I will pay for you to fix your tummy. Your boobs will regulate themselves once Maddie stops sucking on them. But I was like, okay, if I get to a point where I lose enough weight and I love my body the way it is naked. Don't get me wrong, I love my body, period. No matter what it is, I love my body. Like, I'm not in any way at all not loving my body. I love my body. Could I do better? Yes, I can. I can totally do better, and I want to do better. So I've been doing 3 miles every day with Maddie. Today is day 3, and I hope to do this whole body transformation in 12 weeks. Wherever I leave off, I will pick up again another 12 weeks. But before winter hits, like dead on, you know, winter, can't go outside because it's like brutally cold outside. It's not ever gonna get like that, but I'm just saying. So I take the child and I go, I jog, run. My knees are all messed up, my ankle and all that, and it's just, you guys want to hear this sad story. Here's the pretty baby. She's eating her breakfast. Say hi. She's like, get that camera out of my face. She's so beautiful. Oh my Lord, my children. I was walking today and I was thinking to myself, I was like, you know, today's gonna be one of them videos where I sit down and I chat. If you guys don't like that, then I'm sorry. Not every day can be a, you know, up and at it kind of day, but I was thinking to myself, I was like, man, I'm blessed. Like, it's important in life for you to stop. Like, stop, take a minute and realize where you're coming from, whether it be, you know, struggling as a single mom, or whether it be, you know, struggling as a Christian, whatever your struggles may be. Stop in your journey and reflect on where you're coming from. Because I was walking today and I was like, I was looking at my daughter and I was looking at the fancy stroller that I was strolling. I was looking at my arm, there was a nice little watch on it. I was looking at my container that I was drinking out, and it was like real fancy and everything, and my nails are fancy, my clothes are fancy, my shoes are fancy. And I was like, coming from a place in life where I didn't have fancy. Let's not use the word fancy. Let's use another term so that people don't take this out of context. But coming from a place where I grew up not having anything at all whatsoever that was mine, like I could call mine, like I'm trying to explain it so that it doesn't come off wrong, but growing up, never had anything. I used to go to people's house just to eat, you know, and coming from that place to where I am, God has been really, really good to me. I don't know about anybody else, but God has been good to me. I have 5 healthy, beautiful children. Apart from what Jaxson go through in life, that's minor compared to what some parents are going through. Some parents have to go through, you know, burying a child, like cancer and all of that. What Jaxson has compared to that is like a blessing, you know what I mean? I'm not even going to complain. But I have 5 beautiful, healthy children. I have a husband that loves me sometimes. And I'm joking. Legit, I'm joking. My husband loves me to death. But he has to learn how to communicate. But I have a husband that goes to work and provide all of our needs. I live in a community where I can go walking and not look over my shoulder and be afraid, you know. And growing up in Jamaica, I never had that. I was always afraid. I was always afraid that death would be the end of me. Like, I would be dead. Like, I don't know. Safety was always a concern for me. I think that's where my anxiety stems from. Is just having to constantly worry about little things that we take for granted here in this country. And I just had to stop and reflect on that. So always stop, reflect, and then keep going. You know what I mean? So you can recognize that this baby is legit trying to get out of her high chair. Where are you going, Madison? Where are you going? Where are you going? I love you. You love me. And that's all that matters, beautiful. That's all that matters in this world. Is that I love you and you love me. Now eat that waffle. Aaliyah, your face is priceless. But anyways, I'm gonna string together this whole whatever this is and give you guys a video. I will see you guys tomorrow. Nothing else is going on here. I will whatever it is, I'm gonna slap it in a video for tomorrow. Look, I need to get some more definition in my arm. Like, yeah, like if I hold up my arm, it's fine, but when I hold it out like this, you can see all the loose skin. This is from gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight, gaining weight, losing weight. So I need to work on my arms. See? But anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me these couple of days. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow.